Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. And of course, to all my return subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, I have a stitch fix to open and share with you guys today, but before I get into that, I also want to let you know I'm going to split the screen in half. I'm going to give you all the information about the items and you will see me trying it on the other side of the screen. I don't know if I'm pointing to the right part, but you understand what I'm saying. But for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, I created a quick 3-minute little video. You can click on it right here. It'll take you to it and explain all the basics. Now, before we get into this box, I wanted to share, I got this like 2 fixes ago. And I just wanted to share some information about this jacket. And this jacket was made by Mo Kai. And I absolutely love this jacket. I do not regret buying it, but there is one issue with it, and I wanted to share what the issue was. The good thing is that it has this stretch part right here on the side, and on the underneath of the arms is the same color as the material, but it's like a knit stretch. But as you can see, there is the negative part to it. It's great. It's great when you're shopping. You're very comfortable. But as you can see, it catches all kinds of lint and stuff. So that's a negative aspect to it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys would know. But I don't regret it. I just wish they would fix that issue because I don't really like that part of it. But I love the jacket, so no regrets here. Okay, so let's go ahead and like I said, I'm going to split the screen in half. As I'm talking about it, you'll see me trying it on the other side of the screen. And here is the first item out, and this was the Market and Spruce, and this is the Karina Brush Dolman for $38. And this is made from 78% rayon, 18% polyester, 4% spandex, line dry. Now, I tried this on and I don't actually have that many Dolmans. And I really thought this was kind of cute. And we all know who we're all thinking of right now. I don't have to say it. But this is lovely. I like it. I like the way it felt on me. Yes, it is going to be a line dry, but you know, I've been getting these shirts from Stitch Fix and I've just come to the conclusion that I just got to get over it, and I'm just going to have to start line drying some stuff because I just really enjoyed this. And I think even if I do put this in the washer or in the dryer, I think the amount of shrinkage that it's going to have, I think it would still be fine. I think it would, because it's so roomy. So this one I am highly considering. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, now the second item out was this, and this is by Cut from the Cloth, and this is a Benter mixed material in black with, of course, a floral front, and this is $60. And the material on this, the front, it's mixed material. The front is 100% rayon, and the back is a mix of 97% rayon and 3% spandex. So it's like your classic baseball tee kind of top. I think that's what you call these, right? Is this a baseball tee design cut out where the arms are like that? But feminine style, of course, with the florals. I really thought this was pretty too, but I just did not like the $60 price tag for what it is. I love the black floral though, and in my note, my stylist said this could be paired, you could wear this now, and it would easily transition into spring. So I really think it's a lovely blouse. Here's the way it looks on the back. So besides the price, I don't know. I'm going to think about this one, but so far I'm leaning towards this one more. Okay, now the next item out of the box is this one, and this is also from, this is from Market and Spruce, and this is the Freehand one pocket side. There is no one pocket. That's what was confusing me. I'm like, it doesn't have any pockets. It does have a pocket right there, duh. Okay, and this is a side knot, and this is $48. And the material of this is 48 polyester, 48 rayon, 4% spandex. And of course, you'd have to line dry this too. And this one's $48, so I like that price a little bit better. Now, as you can see, it is a lovely, lovely top. I really enjoyed aspects of this top. I enjoyed the side knot on this one. You know, sometimes like when the knots are right here in the front, it looks good from the front, but then when you turn to the side, it looks like a big bulge. This one, it gives you, when you turn to the side, it still has a flat profile, and it still kind of gives you that elongated look that we like with our knots. That's why I like knotting it. I feel like it gives my legs just a slight little longer length. I don't know if it does, but it does in my head. I liked how the stripes all lined up on this shirt. The only thing that didn't line up was the pocket, which I don't mind. That doesn't bother me. There's the back. So this is a cute top. This is definitely a contender. Okay, and now the next top out, this was more a casual piece, and this is not my usual style, but I enjoyed this top too. And this was from Pink Clover, and this is the Shanana knit top in dark purple for $46. Now, oh wait, let me tell you what it's made out of. 48 polyester, 48 rayon, 4% spandex. Now, this is pretty cute for a casual top that I don't go for casual tops too often. I'm not a yoga, you know, leggings, tennis shoes. I like more floral prints, animal prints, more feminine designs. But as far as this one goes, I was not mad about this. I really thought it was pretty lovely. I feel like if I cut the string out of it, that will take it to more of a not casual look to me. And the pockets in the front, they are not a kangaroo pocket. They look like a kangaroo pocket, but actually they're two separate pockets all on their own. So it's not one solid pocket. I think it laid nice, and of course I love this color on me. This is purple, burgundies, maroons. I love those colors on me. So I would probably just cut this off because I see no purpose for it. And that way it just gives it like it's a cow neck top. So this is kind of the best of both worlds. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Okay, and I will pan back, and these were the only pair of pants that I got in this fix. This is the 5th item, and these were Pistolla jeans, which my very, very first fix I ever got was from Pistolla, and they were a pair of white jeans, and I love those jeans. So I have not got another pair of Pistolla since then, but these are Ariel skinny distressed frayed hem, for $88. Yeah, kind of high price for sure. Let me put this down. But let me show you. It is a 5-pocket design. You have a little pocket right here. You have 2 pockets in the back. Now, I don't know if this is picking up. I'm going to try to come in close, especially when it's black on black. But you have some distressing right here. Right here, and then when I'm trying it on, I'm going to try to pan down so you can see the distressing at the bottom of the jeans. But I hope that's like picking up really good for you. I hope I'm in the camera focus here. But that's how the bottom of the jeans look. They're very distressed, and the bottom, it is a raw hem too. So I like the way they fit. Like I said, I don't know though, $88 is a pretty high price. And this one I really like too, but it was a pretty high price. So these ones are going on the, I don't know, it's kind of on the high side, but I liked them. There wasn't one thing in this box that I completely disliked. I just don't like the price too much. And as I'm talking about this, if I did do a 5 for $5, Everything in this box come to $280. If I got the buy all discount, that would take $70 off. So I would get all 5 pieces for $210. And I have a $20 credit. Oh, I didn't even know I had a $20 credit, guys. So that would take it to $190. So what's 5 into 190? I don't know. I'll leave it at the bottom of the screen. Oh no, that ain't too bad. But I don't know. I'm going to have to think about it. Like I said, these are kind of high priced. But if I do the 5 for 5 discount, it would work out. But this one, I know I'm keeping. You will see me wearing this because I absolutely love this. This one was the surprise of them all. That's why you should try subscription boxes, because you never know. This I would pass by in a store. I would look at it on the clothes rack and go, I ain't even bothering. And this one, I like the side knit knot. So I'm going to look back at the video. I have not seen the video. I just put it on real quick. And sometimes the video really helps me make up my mind. And also listening to your opinions too. So please let me know, because this box was sort of complicated for me. Like I said, there was nothing I disliked, and I'm going to keep the box. I'm going to extend my checkout date till the 29th. So up until the 29th, guys, well, how about the 27th? I think it was the 27th, not the 29th. Let me know in the comment sections what you would keep if you were me and what you liked the most. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.